Hi, I'm Erica from Really Good Stuff. Today, I will be showing you our Learning Success Kit for kindergarten. This kit features an activity book and a guide that will help walk families, teachers, and students through fun and educational kindergarten activities. Each kit contains at least 18 different activities, so there's plenty of lessons to support teachers and your students. The kit also features a letter in the front, which is in both English and Spanish, as well as instructions and ideas to take it further for each of these pieces. This kit features dry erase mats that your kids can take home or you can use in the classroom over and over again. This Learning Success Kit provides ELA activities, math activities, and even some social-emotional writing and coloring. These tools offer a few coping skills to support SEL and letter recognition to encourage an interest in reading. Our game supports early math skills like counting, addition, subtraction, and kids will love the fun monster theme. Included are 3 journals. We have one for practicing letter formation and letter sounds, one that looks at shapes and patterns. So, touching on all those math standards. Plus, we also supply some reading materials that kids can take home and start to master those ELA skills with rigorous practice. We hope you enjoy your Learning Success Kit for kindergarten by Really Good Stuff. Did you know we offer 4 different types of Learning Success Kits for grades K to 8? Visit our handy Which Kit is Right for Me page online by scanning this QR code.